Reflexive pronouns are special words that refer back to the subject of the sentence. Words like myself, yourself, himself, and herself are examples. They are used when the person doing the action and the person receiving the action are the same. This lesson will help you learn how to use these pronouns correctly. Reflexive pronouns refer to the subject of the sentence. They often end with the suffix self or selves. They are used when the subject and the object are the same person or thing. For example, myself, yourself, himself, and herself are all reflexive pronouns. Here are the most common reflexive pronouns. Myself is used when the subject is I yourself is used with you in singular form. Himself, herself, and itself are used with he, she, or it. Ourselves is used when the subject is we. Yourselves is used for you in plural form. Themselves is used when the subject is they. Use reflexive pronouns when the subject and object are the same. They also help to emphasize the subject. For example, I did the work myself. Reflexive pronouns are used in some prepositional phrases, like she looked at herself in the mirror. Remember, they are not used as subjects or direct objects alone. Here are some examples. I taught myself to play guitar. She looked at herself in the mirror. We did the project ourselves. You should be proud of yourself. They prepared themselves for the test. Reflexive pronouns can be used in two ways. Reflexively, when the action returns to the subject, like he cut himself while shaving. And intensively, to add emphasis, like the president herself announced the policy. Both uses are correct but have different meanings. Do not use reflexive pronouns as subjects or simple objects. For example, it is incorrect to say myself will do the work. Instead, say I will do the work. Also, she likes myself is wrong. The correct sentence is she likes me. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject and are used for emphasis or when the subject and object are the same. Correct reflexive pronouns include myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Use them carefully to speak and write English correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.